Hello, this old geek here. Now I'm making the Pikachu Piñata. I took an entirely different approach than what I did with my Gengar in the previous video. I just cut out this cardboard pattern and then just started gluing wads of paper to it and then tape it up with the blue tape. And I highly recommend using blue tape. It adheres a lot better than the regular masking tape. Now you just flip it over and start doing the other side and building it up as I go along, taping it up. I ran out of blue tape, so I had to switch to the regular masking tape, which worked okay. I had to fill out the bottom there where the legs are. The legs on Pikachu are practically non-existent, so I had to fill that out down there a little bit. I was showing a little too much leg there. So here I'm doing the arms, and I'm gluing these on and with the hot glue gun and taping. Now I must really stress, be careful with the, be very careful with the hot glue. It's called hot glue for a reason. I always like to stress this in all my videos because you can burn yourself if you're not careful. You may want to even use protective gloves, heat-resistant gloves preferably. Okay, now after I get that all taped up, I'm applying the paper mache. Now I put at least 3 or 4 coats of the paper mache on all the way around. I wasn't really sure how thick to make it. I didn't want it to be too thin so it breaks easy, or too thick so it hardly breaks at all. Now here after all that dries, you see, and I put a fan up there to help it dry faster. I cut all the way around. I just basically half it, and I break it open, take out all the stuff inside. This was quite a chore, actually. It doesn't want to come out of there too easy. And there you go. There's the two halves to the Pikachu body. Now here I am doing the wire to hang. Now I'm using armature wire here, and I used 2 wires, wrapped them together, 2 lengths of wires and wrapped them together, and then I spread out like I had 4 tines, if you will, and I taped and paper mache to each half, which later on, after we finally had the party, I found out that wasn't quite good enough with the armature wire, because after the got filled with candy, it kind of slid out. So I probably should have glued it as well, or you can also use coat hanger wire, which is a lot stronger and won't bend and fold like the armature wire. Now here I am getting every little nook and cranny going all the way around the seam. When I glued them back together, that was quite a chore getting both halves together. I had to tape everything all the way around. And they're gluing the feet on and the ears, which I just cut out of cardboard and painted with yellow craft paint, and the black tips are just marker that I use, black marker, permanent marker. And here I'm just using construction paper to give it that, it's just 1-inch thick strips of paper, about maybe 12 inches long, construction paper, yellow construction paper, and I just cut like little 1/4-inch, I don't know what you call it, 1/4-inch slots or whatever, or not slots, but you get the idea. And then I just glued it all the way up, all the way to the top of the head, starting at the bottom all the way to the top. And here I am gluing on the facial features. There's his rosy red cheeks, which I just used cups and a shot glass, a cup and a shot glass, to use the circumference on those, just draw around them onto the construction paper to get that perfect circle. And here I'm just using magic marker for that, and this is a brown crayon for his smile. I'm putting on his stripes, just pieces of construction paper that I cut out, just glued it on there. And here I am cutting open the compartment to put the candy in. And there it is, my Pikachu Piñata. Seems almost a shame that he's going to get pummeled pretty good at my grandson's 5th birthday party, but that's okay. The party is over, already been done, and everybody had a wonderful time, and they all loved my piñata, and I thank you all. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Thank you.